In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find blocked accounts on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. After that, go to your profile. Tap at that globe, and that's where we can easily find blocked profiles. If we tap on it, we'll be redirected to Instagram app, where we can find our blocked list, and towards the top it says that accounts are blocked on both Instagram and Threads. And from here we can unblock any user just by tapping at unblock. That's how you can easily find blocked accounts on Threads and Instagram.